Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're gonna talk about measurements again. Now, last class we learned about length. Length is about how long something is, right? So let's review about that. So, these are different types of measurement. We have time, we have weight, we have height, we have length, we have temperature. But last class we talked about length. Now, length has many different types of measurements, right? You can use a ruler, you can use measuring tape, you can use angle ruler, you can use calipers, you can use many different ways to measure length. Now, let's see. Which one is the shortest? As you remember, this is short, this is long. So we want to know which one is the shortest one. Obviously, this is the shortest one. 2. Easy. This is the shortest one. This one is the shortest one. And 4. Super easy. This is the shortest one, right? Now, this one is talking about the longest. The longest. So, this is the longest. Yes, it's super long. This pencil, wow, it's so long. What else? This crayon is the longest one. And from rulers, this ruler is the longest ruler. So, now, this is what we call a ruler. You probably have a ruler at home. We can see if something is long or short with a ruler, right? But how do we use it? Let's see. How can we measure the length of this pencil? We want to know how long this pencil is. So what we do is we put the pencil down, or we put the ruler next to the pencil, and the start has to be at some point. Now, it's easier if the start is at the start of your ruler. So, now we mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, now it's 10, right? But the question is, 10 what? It's 10 centimeters. Centimeters. 10 centimeters. Or 10 cm. Centimeter is quite small. For example, the centimeter with my hand is going to be around this big, right? This is 1 centimeter. So this pencil is around 10 centimeters. Easy. Now, if I put the pencil in the middle, right? The start is at 14, right? So 15 is 1, 16 is 2, 17 is 3, 4, same way, and it's still gonna be 10 centimeters. But again, it's easier to put it at the start of the ruler. Right? So I put it down like this, right? This is the start. Let's put the line. How can we measure the length of this snake? Guys, we cannot use a ruler because the snake is all wiggly. So we can use a tape, right? We can use a measuring tape. Now let's say this snake is 100 centimeters, right? Now, instead of saying 100 centimeters, we can just say 1 meter. 1 meter, which is 1 m. 1 meter. So, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And 100 centimeters is 1 meter. Super easy. So, as I said, 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. But it's easy to calculate it. It looks a little hard. You just have to divide it by 100. 100 meter. 100 centimeter. 100 meter is very long. 100 centimeter divided by 100 equals 1 meter. Now, if it's even 500 centimeters, right? Divided by 100 is 5 meters. Even 800 centimeter. We divided by 100 equals 8 meters. Oh, 1,000 centimeters divided by 100 equals easy 10 meters. Okay, so let's see. This motorcycle is 200 centimeters long. Okay, it's quite long. How many meters is it? Easy. So it's 200 centimeters divided by 100 equals 200 divided by 100. How many hundreds is 200? 2. So it's 2 meters. So this bike is 2 meters. Now look at this car. This car is 500 centimeters long. Okay, that's quite long. And it's Lamborghini. Ooh, I like it. How many meters is it? Easy. 500 centimeters divided by 100 equals something meters. How many hundreds are in 500? 5. So it's 5 meters. Easy peasy. Now, we're going to talk about the next topic. Last time we talked about length, but today we're going to talk about height. Height is about how tall something is. So, length is about how long something is, and height is about how tall something is. So, this car we know is 5 meters long, but how tall is this car? Imagine it's 113 centimeters, right? But I have to ask you, how many meters is it? Easy. Look at here. You put a point here. How do we know you have to put it here? If you want to turn centimeter into meter, imagine the point comes from here, 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 and then one more time. So 1, 2. It jumps 1, 2 digits, and it comes here, and you put the point. So 113 centimeters turns into 1.13 meters, right? So let me show you how it's done one more time. 113 centimeters, right? You put a dot. This is a dot, right? It's called point. You put the point after 1, 2, the second digit here. So you put it here and it becomes meter. It's like magic. Now, how do we read this? We can read it like this. 1.13 meters. Oh, sounds a little hard, right? 1.13 meters. Oh, but I like this one more. 1 meter, because it's only 1 meter, right? And 13 centimeters, right? Because this 13 is centimeters. So 1.13 meters or 1 meter and 13 centimeters. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, look at these two guys. How tall are they? Now we have a long ruler here. So this guy is, I think he's 155, right? 100. Oh, so beautiful. Let me try one more time. So he is, let's see, yeah, 155 centimeters. And this guy, oh, so tall. 2 meters. How do I know? Look at here. 155 and 200, right? 200 centimeters and 155 centimeters. Now I want to turn it into meter. Remember the point? We jump 1, 2. So it's going to be 2 meters, right? And this one, so we put it here, right? So 1.5 5 meters. Easy, right? So, how many meters are they? I already told you, Teacher Jonah. It is 2 meters and 1.55 meters. Remember, we just jump, and we put the dot. Jump, we put the dot, right? And it turns into meters like magic. Super easy. Okay, so this man is 2 meters and this man is 1 meters and 55 centimeters. You can say it both ways. So look at here. 200 centimeters. 155 centimeters. And this one, we turn it into meter, right? 2 meters, 1 meter, and 55 centimeters. By the way, guys, this one, as you remember, it becomes 2.00 meter, right? We don't have to put the 0 here. We can just say 2 meters. Easy peasy. Okay. Oh, guys, I have a little story for you. This is Robert Waldo. He was from the US. He was American. He lived almost 100 years ago. He was born 103 years ago. He is the tallest man in the whole world. So let's see, how tall was the tallest man in the world? Let's see. 2.72 meters, right? But I don't like reading like this. So we say 2 meters and 72 centimeters. Oh, he is so tall. I am only 180 centimeters. He is 2 meters and 72 centimeters. So tall. This is his dad. In this picture, he was only 20 years old. And this is his dad. Now, in this one, we don't want to turn centimeter into meter. We want to turn meter into centimeter. So, 2.72 meter times 100. So, you see, it's easy. Just the point, you remember the point came in, right? This time the point goes out. So it's 272. The point, bye-bye, it's gone. Because there is no digit for it. So it is 272. So the tallest man in the world was 272 centimeters. That is so tall. I don't want to be that tall because then I cannot sleep on bed. I cannot sit in a car. He is too tall. So guys, remember, when you want to turn centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. Now, when you want to turn meter into centimeter, we times 100. Right? So, okay now, everyone. This is Teacher Jonas. This is me. I am 180 centimeters or 1 meter and 80 centimeters tall. Now, I want to know, how tall are you? This can be your homework. You don't have to show me your homework, okay? But if you want, sure, you can upload it on platform. But if you don't want, it's okay. But I want you to measure your height so you can know how tall you are now. It's gonna be cool. You can see how tall you are. Okay, everyone. That's it for today's class. So, we learned about height today. That's it. Teacher Jonas out. See you, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.